In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a Confluence page the right way. Start by opening the Confluence page you want to update. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the correct page and in the right space. Glance at the page title and the breadcrumb path at the top so you're sure you're editing the intended content. If the page is restricted, you'll need edit permissions, so make sure you can see the editing controls before moving forward. Next, click Edit at the top of the page. This opens the page in the editor, where you'll see a familiar formatting toolbar and the content laid out for changes. Give the editor a second to load fully so images, tables, and attachments render correctly. If you see any warning banners, read them. Confluence sometimes flags unsaved changes or concurrent edits. Now make the updates you need to the text, images, tables, or files. Keep the tone and formatting consistent with the rest of the page. Use existing heading levels, bullet styles, and spacing so the document stays clean and readable. When adjusting images, check that they're sized appropriately and include clear captions or alt text where helpful. For tables, verify column headers and alignment so data remains easy to scan. If you're updating files or attachments, replace outdated versions and confirm the links in the page still point to the right file. While you edit, keep an eye out for broken links or outdated references and correct them as you go. Before saving, review the page carefully. Use the preview, if available, to see how the content will look once published. Read through headings, paragraphs, and callouts to confirm everything is accurate and flows logically. Click a few links, check that images display properly, and make sure any tables are formatted the way you expect. This quick pass helps you catch typos, formatting hiccups, and accidental deletions. If needed, add a version comment. A short note like updated Q3 metrics or replaced onboarding file makes the page history clearer for anyone tracking changes later. When you're satisfied, click Update or Publish depending on your Confluence setup. This saves your edits as a new version, preserving the change history so you can always roll back if necessary. Finally, refresh the page and confirm your changes were saved. Look over the updated sections, test key links, and make sure attachments and images appear as expected. If something didn't stick, reopen Edit, Adjust, and Publish again. That's it. Open, edit, review, comment if needed, publish, and verify. You've just updated your Confluence page with confidence.